All right, this is second grade module 7, lesson 20. Today you're going to need your problem set. During this lesson, we're going to do 3 of the problems, and we're not doing them all consecutively. That means all in the same order. Our focus is I can solve 2-digit addition and subtraction word problems involving length by using tape diagrams and writing equations to represent the problem. There is no word problem for this lesson today, so let's get started. Let's first review. What is read, draw, write? Well, read, draw, write is read the problem, draw and label, and W is write the number sentence and a statement to answer the question. So we're going to be solving word problems is what our focus is today. So the first word problem today is Mr. Ramos has knitted 19 inches of a scarf. He wants it to be 1 yard. He wants it to be 1 yard long. How many more inches of scarf does he need to knit? We need a picture. We've read the problem. I'm going to read it one more time since I messed up. Mr. Ramos has knitted 19 inches of a scarf. He wants to be 1 yard long. How many more inches of scarf does he need to knit? All right, now I'm going to draw. I'm going to use blue. And I'm going to draw a tape diagram. I know that he has already knitted 19 inches. I see that right here. I know that he has knitted 19 inches. I know that he wants to knit 1 yard. Well, we cannot have 2 measurements and 2 different lengths. So think back to how many inches are in 1 yard, 12, and then how many feet are in 1 yard, that would be 3. So 3 12s is 36 inches is 1 yard. Okay, 36 inches equals 1 yard. The part we need to find out is how many more inches of scarf does he need to knit? We're trying to find out how much more he needs to knit. Well, there are 2 different ways we could solve this. We could use the basic subtraction, 36 minus 19. I look at my ones, got to decompose. Now I can subtract. That is 7 and that is 1. So 17 inches. And then there's another way. I could use the arrow way. I could start at 19. I could add 1 more to get 20. Then I could add 10 more to get 30. Then I can add 6 more to get 36. So, and if I add that together, 1 plus 10 plus 6, that gives me 17 inches also. All right, so I've done the read, I've done the draw and label. Now I need to write. Write a statement. We wrote a number sentence already. We need to write a statement. How many more inches of scarf does he need to knit? He needs to knit 17 more inches to reach a yard. He needs to knit 17 more inches to reach a yard. All right. And here's the student example. Pretty much just like mine. He needs 17 more inches. All right, problem 2, which is actually number 3 on your problem set. Same process, read, draw, write. Frankie has a 64-inch piece of rope and another piece that is 18 inches shorter than the first. What is the total length of both ropes? Well, let's see. I got 64 inches, 18 inches. What is the total length of both ropes? One is shorter than the other. I'm going to read it one more time. Frankie has a 64-inch piece of rope and another piece that is 18 inches shorter than the first. What is the total length of both ropes? I'm going to use a tape diagram to draw what I already know. I know he has a 64-inch piece of rope and another piece that is 18 inches shorter. Shorter means it's not going to be as long as 64. So right here, this is 18 inches shorter. So the part we're trying to figure out is how much shorter is the rope. Okay, so the first thing we need to find out is what is the total length? The total length here is 64 inches. So 64 minus our 18, we need to decompose. This is 5 10s, 14 ones. That will give us 6. 5 minus 1, 4, 46. Now, that did not answer the question we're asking. What is the total? What is the total length of both ropes? This just gave me 46 inches for how much the shorter rope is. Okay, so now I need to put together my 64 plus my 46 to find my total. That is 10, that's 10, 110. 110 inches. So what is the total length? We need a sentence. We've got our number sentence done. We need a word sentence. The total length of both ropes is 110 inches. The total length of both ropes is 110 inches. All right, we're going to do one more word problem. That will be number 5. Number 5, same steps, read, draw, write. All right, the total length of all 3 sides of a triangle is 96 feet. The triangle has 2 sides that are the same length. One of the equal sides measures 40 feet. What is the length of the side that is not equal? Whoa, lots of information. Let's read it one more time. The total length of 3 sides of a triangle is 96 feet. So I see the word total. So this is telling me the whole triangle measures 96 feet. The triangle has 2 sides that are the same length. One of the equal sides measures 40 feet. So one of them's 40 feet. The total is 96. We need to figure out what is the side that is missing. What is the length of the side that is not equal? All right, let's draw a picture and label it. Let's draw a triangle. All right, it said that the total, this whole triangle, equals 96 feet. That's the total. We know that two of the sides are the same length of 40. So that means this is 40 feet and this is 40 feet. We need to know what this other side is. Well, first we need to find out what is the total length of the two sides that are the same length. So 40 plus 40. We're on the right part writing our sentence. 0 plus 0, 4 plus 4. All right. We have found the length of both of those, which is 80 feet. Now I need to subtract to find out what this missing side is, because I know the total of this is going to equal 96. So 96 minus my 80, that's 6, that's 1, so that is 16 feet. All right, now I need to write a statement. What is the length of the side that is not equal? The length of the side that is not equal is 16 feet. The length of the side that is not equal is 16 feet. We could have also done a number bond here. Let me show you what the student sample is. They have a number bond here. See the number bond? You have 96, 40, 40, and what? Not saying ours is wrong, but that is another way you could have done it. All right, so there will not be a video on problem set because I did 3 problems with you already. So we will see you on the next lesson.